If you want to know how to install GOG games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find your game, claim it, and install it properly using GOG Galaxy. This is a super simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your game downloaded and ready to play. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside the app, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on All Games to open the full game library and browse or search for the game you want to install. If you already know the title, use the search bar to quickly find it. When your game appears, click the Add to Cart icon next to it. This will add the game to your cart so you can continue to the checkout step. After that, click Checkout Now. On the next screen, select Get for Free if the game is free to claim, or Continue with the purchase process if it's a paid title. Once that's done, go back to the left menu and click Owned Games. This section shows every game that's already attached to your account and ready to install. Find the game you just added or claimed, then select it to open its game page. At the top of the screen, click Install. A setup window will appear and ask you to choose your download location and game language. Make sure you pick the folder where you want the game files stored and choose the language you want to use in-game. This is a good moment to double-check your settings so everything installs the way you want it. When you're ready, click Install again to start the download. GOG Galaxy will begin downloading and installing the game automatically. Depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes or longer. Once the installation finishes, you'll be able to launch the game directly from GOG Galaxy and start playing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to install GOG games using GOG Galaxy. It's fast, easy, and a great way to manage your library in one place. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.